Look guys, here is my hair update and you can see how healthy, strong and longer they become than before, and they are less frizzy now at the end, which I really liked. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandhya Singh here, and today I'm gonna show you how to do spa at home. Hair spa I'm talking about, not body spa. Okay, if you are a regular viewer of my channel, then you must know that usually on Sunday, on every Sunday, I do hair oiling. But this time I'm doing something different. This time I'm doing my hair spa homemade, or you can say DIY hair spa, which is super affordable. You will gonna need only 2 ingredients for this, and the results are going to be really amazing. You will going to thank me. Okay, so let's begin with the video, and then I will tell you about the benefit of this hair spa. So let's begin with the video. You will gonna need some glycerine and some aloe vera gel. Here I'm taking 50 ml glycerine. According to my hair length, you can adjust the quantity according to your hair length. To make this mixture, you need to take both the ingredient in 1:1 ratio, like in 50 ml glycerine and 50 ml aloe vera gel. Mix them well and your mixture is ready. The shade is really pretty, I like it a lot. So let's begin with application. First, comb your hairs and divide into 2 sections. Hair combing is really important before applying anything, so that you will suffer less hair fall, to detangle your hairs, to remove the knots of your hairs. So that's why combing is really important before applying anything onto your hairs. So here you can see I'm taking small parts and I'm applying it onto my roots, on my scalp, and on the length also. You need to apply this more on the length. My scalp is not super dry and my hairs also, that's why I didn't add Vaseline. But if you are suffering with dryness, dry scalp, dry hair length, then you can also add Vaseline in this. Vaseline will definitely work on your dry scalp as well as on your dry hairs. It has really good power and really good quality to deal with the dryness. That's why I usually keep distance with Vaseline, because I don't need to make me look champu and so oily. Do this hair spa every Sunday, or you can also do it twice a week. Leave it for 2 hours or 3 hours, as much as you can leave, and then wash off with your regular shampoo. You can also leave it for overnight, and if you leave it for overnight, the results are going to be really surprising. So just try this and apply this mixture more on the end, just like I am doing, because at the end my hairs are bit frizzy and bit dry. They are not super dry or something like that. So that's why especially focus on end hair. One more thing I like to share with you about my eyelashes is, don't think my glue is visible. That's not glue which is visible. It is gray glitter eyeliner, so that's why it's sparking more. Don't think it like glue is visible. So guys, I'm done with my glycerine and aloe vera hair spa. So here you can see how does my hair looks like after doing this hair spa. So the benefit of this hair spa is, it is totally affordable. You need only 2 ingredients which are easily available around all of you. I must sure about it. Okay, there is no side effect at all. It gives you silky, sleek, soft hairs. It will help you to grow your hairs. It will deal with your frizzy hairs. It will detangle your hairs. It gives you super shiny hairs. It is easy to make. It will get ready in 1 minute, and it is easy to apply. You don't need any other accessories to apply this, like gloves or something like that, like another brush. If you want, you can apply this with brush also, but I am more comfortable with my fingers. They are usually in my control. That's why I like to apply things with my hands, with my fingers, rather than using any tool. Okay, so this is the overall video on my hair spa, and I hope you enjoyed this hair spa. Just try this at home and let me know your results. So I will be back soon in my next video in couple of days. Till the next time, take care, bye bye, have a very nice day, and have silky, shiny, soft, stronger, lemmy hairs. So, bye bye.